The Scorch Marker Intermediate Bundle. There's detailed instructions. We got your back. And don't forget, you might win. Okay, let's take a look at what we got here. The first thing, we have 6 sourwood slices. These things are beautiful. They're flat, they're smooth, they're perfect for crafting, and I'll tell you why. This kit comes with not 1, but 2 Scorch Marker Pros. I'll show you how these work in just a moment. Before we get to that, we have to talk about the sanding kit. This mesh sanding kit is awesome. There's 5 grits. The sanding mesh looks like this. You attach them via Velcro. The great thing about these is that they're really durable, and when they fill up with dust like this, you just rinse them out with water or you vacuum them. You're going to use these first to sand your wood slices and get them smooth. Then you're going to choose a stencil to apply. There's 2 packs of stencils that come in this kit. The first is our sunflower stencils. All of these have been pre-weeded, there's transfer paper applied, and they're even perforated. The second set of stencils is our butterfly stencil set. 24 unique butterfly stencils here. Same deal, just stick them on there and apply your scorch marker. That's how it works. You'll take a stencil, you'll place it on your wood piece after you've sanded it with your sanding kit, then you'll open up your scorch marker, give it a shake, prime it, and apply the design inside the stencil. Once you've finished, you can remove the stencil, and then the heat gun comes into play. You grab your heat gun, plug it into the wall, put it on power level 2, and then start applying heat to your design. After you've removed the stencil, of course. Then you get to watch it come to life before your eyes. It's an incredible system, and it's designed to teach you how to wood burn without using a wood burning tool. This kit is one of my favorites. Just don't forget, you're a beautiful human. Keep crafting.